So today we're going to take a look at how you can turn off notifications on your iPhone or your iPad if you've already turned them on, and how also you can alter notifications. So you want to do is open up the settings app on your iPhone. You want to come to this screen like here, and you're going to see notifications. Simply click that. Once you're in here, you're going to see all the apps that you have installed on your iPhone. You want to scroll down to the one that you want to turn off. So we're going to look today at like Duolingo. We'll scroll down and here it is. We're just going to click into it, and as you can see here, we can turn off all notifications, we can turn off time sensitive notifications, or we can even change the style of notifications that we have along with the sounds and the banners. So for example, if it's a messaging app, or like something like Discord, and you get a few notifications, you might want to turn off the sound, so you can just simply click that and just set it to your liking. One thing I will say is with this, you may need to restart your iPhone just for it to take place, because it doesn't always seem to take place when I've had experience in the past of doing this. So once you've done that, just go back and close the app, and that's it. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.